Today I'm going to take you through an EFT tapping exercise on sadness. So sadness, we know it comes up when you lose someone or something, but it often also comes up when you've been working through layers of feelings, and usually sadness is one of the last things that we have to release before something is completely gone. Hi, I'm Kelly Elliott from Free Your Life. I'm a transformational coach, master Free Your Life practitioner, and certified and accredited EFT practitioner. And I've been working with clients both locally and internationally for the last 10 years. So let's get started. You're going to rate your sadness on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being the most intense. And whatever I say, you're going to say, and whatever I do, you're going to do. You're just going to tap along with me. Even though I feel sad, I choose to accept these feelings and myself. Even though I feel all this sadness in my body, I choose to accept all these feelings and myself. I feel really sad. All this sadness in my body. Feeling really sad. This isn't the way things should be. It's hard to accept the way things were. It's hard to accept what's happened. All this sadness in my body. This isn't right. I don't like the way things are. This is really hard to accept. I can't accept the way it is. All this sadness in my body. If only things were different. Wishing things were different. Now I want you to stop and rate your feelings. Where are they right now? If they're a 5 or lower, you're going to continue on with the next part of the video. But if not, you're going to go back to where we started tapping and do all of that again until it does come down to a 5. And don't worry if you have to do that more than once. The goal is to release the feelings, and we can't control how fast they get released. It's totally okay, and it's totally normal. So if you're lower than a 5, let's move on. Even though I have this remaining sadness, I choose to love and accept these feelings. Even though I still have this remaining sadness, I choose to love and accept this feeling. This remaining sadness in my body. This remaining sadness. Maybe it's possible. Everything happened the way it was supposed to. Maybe there are no accidents. Maybe things happened the way they should have. Maybe my higher self knows exactly why this is happening. Maybe there's a silver lining I can't see yet. Maybe it's possible. I can accept this sadness. And I can set myself free. Maybe it's possible. I can accept this sadness. I choose to accept what's happened. I'm choosing to accept the way things are so I can set myself free. I'm choosing to feel better. Holding on to this sadness isn't helping me. Maybe I can let this go. I'm choosing to let all this sadness go right now. Okay, take a deep breath and let that go. So hopefully you're feeling some relief after doing this. If not, go back and do the video again, and you will feel better. Sometimes things just take a little more time.